What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverlee, and I am back with another balloon mosaic tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to make a 5 feet letter and balloon mosaic frame. I will not be stuffing this frame because it was for someone else, but I'm definitely going to be showing you guys how to make the entire frame. But before we get started, if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me some comments in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial. The direct link for this letter N template will be in my description box down below, so you can go ahead and check out that Etsy shop. All I'm doing is taking my template that I put together and place it on top of my 40 by 60 foam board, which is about 5 feet. I got it from Hobby Lobby in the frame section if you'd like to go get it. So you can take your template and trace it with a pencil onto your foam board and then cut it out. I skipped the pencil tracing part and just go ahead and cut it right onto the foam board because that's easier for me and it saved me a lot of time. So after you have your shape cut out, it's time to start making your sidewalls. For my sidewall, I'm using 6-inch strips of foam board, which mean I have strips of foam board that are only 6 inches wide. The length does not matter, you just have to make sure that it fits the section that you're trying to glue. So what I like to do is take a piece of scotch tape and hold the foam board into place, then I go in with my hot glue gun because it saves me a lot of time and it allows me to move on to the other section without waiting for the strip to dry. So after you're finished with your side walls, it is time to move on to the back, which is where you're going to be making your base. The base for the balloon mosaic is where you'll be putting a heavy weight or something to hold the balloon mosaic down, so whenever you fill it with balloons, it won't blow over. So because this N is such a large letter, I did not want to just use one base. So I've decided to put base on each leg of the N, and no one will be able to see the base if you're looking at the blue mosaic from the front. If you don't understand what I mean, just watch and see exactly what I'm doing. I'll be putting a base on each side of the N, and if you're standing in front of it, you won't be able to see the base at all. And that is where the client will be able to put their heavy weight to hold the letter down when balloons are inside of it. Okay guys, so here's a very important tip for you. Whenever you're making the frame for your balloon mosaic, make sure that the right angle triangle that you cut out is long enough to go up to at least the middle of your frame. This will help to hold the frame down more when you add balloons and the weight to it. And if it's too short, this will maybe cause it to lean forward. So just make sure that your right angle triangle that go up in the back of the mosaic frame is very long to help hold it down. And that is all, you guys. I hope this tutorial was really helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching another video, and I will be dropping a couple more tutorials of balloon mosaic letters in the next coming weeks. So please turn on your post notifications so you'll get notified whenever I drop a new tutorial. Give this video a like and leave me some comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think about this tutorial, or if you're going to be trying it. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you aren't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam. And I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye!